Amnesty International Deputy Director for East and Southern Africa, Kanyo Farise, expressed deep concern over the escalating violence, calling for an immediate halt to what the organization described as a bloody crackdown with the Frelimo-led government. Sanabina mashoko tichiona kuti aiwa Amnesty yopindira panhau yekuMozambique ichiaccuse vanhu vakaita sana SADC panhau yekusamirira human rights nechaos iri kuitika Mozambique. Inodiwa subscribe like out on the bell icon. Tichipinda panapa toona vanobudanyira kuti Farise further criticized the inaction of the regional and international organizations, stating the world must condemn this state violence and take action to end it. Amnesty International has repeatedly called on the international community, including the Southern African Development Community SADC and the African Union, to take action to end this nightmare. Yet both organizations remain all but silent on the government of Mozambique's ruthless assault on protesters. Instead of demanding an end to these growing human rights violations, SADC has only sent condolences to people who lost their lives and were injured while declaring the elections peaceful. Farise called on the United Nations to address the crisis with the urgency it deserves and appealed to Mozambique's international donors and partners to take a firm stance against the government's actions. Tomashika tukona kuti aiwa Amnesty International youya ichitandanisa vakomana veAU, United Nations pamwechete neSADC. But why is it you guys are just silent pamusoro pezvitiko zviri kuitika Mozambique, but just to send aiwa macondolences evanhu, aiwa mafatalities, vanhu vakafa pamaprotest, vachiti aiwa why is it you are not advocating for change? Why is it hamusi kuudza vakomana veFrelimo kuti varege kuita zvavari kuita izvi? Noda kuti everyone has a right to petition and demonstrate. Tuze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section yedu, subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.